Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up a PIN instead of a password on your Windows PC, making it quicker and easier to log in securely. First, let's go to Settings. You can do this by clicking on the Start menu, then selecting the gear icon for Settings. Next, select Accounts, and then click on Sign In Options from the sidebar. Scroll down to the PIN section. First, we need to add password before PIN, so scroll down. Click on Password and click on Add. Enter a new password and enter the Confirm password and enter Hint. And click on Next. Now go to Window PIN and add. You'll need to enter your current password to verify your account. Now, enter a numeric PIN that you'll use to log into your PC. Confirm the PIN to complete the setup. If you want to add letter or symbol, click on Checkbox. Once your PIN is set up, you can use it whenever you need to log into your PC. It's that simple. Now restart PC and enter the PIN. Setting up a PIN on your Windows PC offers a convenient and secure way to access your computer quickly. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips.